Let me teach you some basic Papiamento.
Hi, I'm Shadia. Exploring Curacao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around.
Curacaoans are multilingual. Most locals speak 4 languages. If you can speak English, Dutch, or Spanish, you can communicate with the locals. Nonetheless, us Curacaoans appreciate it when visitors know some basic Papiamento words or phrases. It just shows that you've put in the effort to communicate with us. Papiamento is our local language and it is a mix of different languages, so some things might sound a little bit familiar. Dushi is the most popular Papiamento word. There is no chance that you cannot hear that word while on Curacao. It is a simple word that means sweet, sweetheart, good, or good looking, and so much more. To find out more about that word, you can watch my Dushi video. In Papiamento, good morning, good evening, and good night is used instead of a simple hello. Here is how to say them. Good morning is bon dia, good afternoon is bon tardi, and good night is bonochi. Thank someone saying mashadanki will do, which translates to thank you very much. If you want to ask for the price, all you have to say is "Cuánto eta costa?" Looking for local food, just ask around for comida criollo. Don't understand something? Just say "Mi no ta comprende." Gotta go? To the bathroom? All you have to say is "Unda e baño ta?" Finally, when you need help, call out "Yudami!" Got it? If you feel stuck on any word, feel free to rewind and go back on some of them. If there's any other phrase you want to learn in Papiamento, just ask in the comment section below and I will freely translate it to you. As always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any good video. In Papiamento, good morning